Welcome to Adobe Illustrator Fundamentals course, where you will learn how to use confidently and design with Adobe Illustrator. My name is Abdulwahab Ashub. I am a part-time freelancer and instructor. In this course, we will start with an overlook to the workspace and some tips and shortcuts in Illustrator. Then we will learn about the tools and palettes mainly used in our projects. Then I will walk you step by step through the 5 projects to create the Facebook reaction emoji, where you will apply what you have learned through the previous sections and be happy with it. I have to mention that I put the resource files here in the introduction section, so make sure to download them as they will help you to follow along with me throughout the course. After you download the files, make sure to extract them from the RAR format. Also, if you faced any problem throughout the course and you are stuck somewhere, or you just want to ask me something about a specific point, make sure to go to the question and answer section here and post your question, and I will answer to you as soon as possible.